What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Beards and Gears. So, we're getting ready for the track season this summer. I got some new parts. I'm currently shooting on my phone because my camera batteries are kind of dead. So, we're going to start off the season a little different. I'm going to change things up a bit. Just finished my semester for college. And yeah, today we're going to start off by taking care of the garage, so showing my workspace some love. I got my brother's car over here. We have my brother's car over here with all of his parts. He's currently working on fixing some leaks. He's got some power steering stuff he's got to take care of. That's his whip. Follow him on Instagram and TikTok, slightworkphotos. And here's the E30. So gonna back this up, gonna move a whole bunch of stuff, gonna move all the stuff outside, and we're gonna actually wash this car because as you can see here, I got kitty food and litter. I had a cat in here. If you go on my TikTok, you can find that cat. He was hurt. Poor guy was hurt his paw. So I kept him in here in the garage for a while because I got two other cats and he wasn't that friendly. And he got all better, sent them back to where he was from. And now we're gonna have to clean this space up because I got some parts that you might like. I have finally pulled the trigger and I got an angle kit. So you're probably wondering, Ismail, this doesn't look like SLR. This doesn't look like Wise Fab. It's eBay, baby. It's eBay. It's an SLR copycat. It was about 600 bucks. What I've noticed is this is the most copied copycat I'd ever seen. It's down to this black washer. And why is this black washer so important? Because for this black washer, there is, see if I can pull this out. This is the spacer that you put on the knuckle, and the black washer goes somewhere here. I don't remember at the moment. And that black washer, it's the same color on the SLR kit. It's the same color on several other copycat kits. And the copycat kits kind of look all the same, so I just pulled the trigger on the eBay one. This is, I think, made out of cold rolled steel, whereas SLR is made out of chrome moly. Chrome moly is superior, but this might be good enough. I know some guys at the track that run this on their E46s. They track them, they daily them, they drive them to work, they drive them home, they drive them to the track, they drive them home. So I know I'm going to be good on this. Alright, so I'm going to be using two simple things to clean up the garage floor. That being a brush and some Simple Clean and some water. And that's really about it. We're going to get this garage clean so that when I get under my car, my hair is not covered in cat poop. So let's go. So, as we can see over here, the floor is now all clean. Doesn't look clean, but it's free of cat doo-doo and cat food. I wish you could have smelled how bad it was in here once the floor got wet. It smelled like cat feces, cat piss, and cat food mixed together with mucky water. It was just disgusting. But now we're all clean. Now I don't have to worry about putting my head on the ground or anything. And the garage is finally clean. So I'm gonna bring everything back inside. I'm gonna do that off camera. On the next episode, hopefully we could finally start installing that angle kit. So season starter. So this is the official start of drift season for me because I am a college student and I do go to school and I start a little late. So like, subscribe, share it with your mom, share it with your dad, share it with your girlfriend, your boyfriend, share it with your little brother or sister who can't even read or write yet. I don't give a damn. Just give me the view. Like, follow, share, and follow me on social media, Beards and Gears. And thank you very much for tuning in. I'll see you on the next episode. Take care, guys. Bye.